Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tyler, back in another video, and today we are going to be unboxing this Rubik's Cube. So, you guys might know these, but like today I'm going to be unboxing one, so let's just get right into it. And to make things faster, before I started the video, my dad took that piece off, so like I wouldn't have to deal with it in the video. Let's just get right into it. I'm trying to save the box. Sometimes that can be pretty challenging now, because if you're having trouble taking it off, which I'm pretty sure I have it. Yep, got it. Alright, now let's take out, oh yes, the Rubik's Cube, guys. I don't know how to solve these. Just like this, since this is brand new. Back to normal. And guys, I'm just saying, don't comment in this video if saying like asking me to do like a video how fast I can solve it, because to be honest with you, I'm not good at solving Rubik's Cubes. Just my mom actually picked it out while we were at Walmart today, so I actually didn't pick it out. Here's the stand too, I really like it. I don't even know if this is a stand. Hold on. Oh, that's if you put it in a triangle. See? That's if you put it in a triangle. Alright guys, well that will do for the video. I'm sorry that it was so short. There's the box, by the way. But just like always, I will see you in the next episode. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.